Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to do a stock market update 7. So let's begin. So this is sponsored by my stock market mastery course. These are some of my winnings. I'm not going to go too much on it, but right now the price has gone up. I like how I did that. And then my yearly plan's a little bit cheaper than my monthly plan. It adds up to about $50 a month. Aehd is down today a little bit, I think. Yeah, I'm doing my research on this video right now. Hopefully I'll have something by Saturday released on Aehd and MPX. I don't know why I have this up, but nothing interesting. Aurora today went up 2.76%, so it's a slight green day today. It looks like it's green across the board. See Aphria is up a little bit too. That's good. Everything looks a little green today. It's not a red day like I thought it would be, like a stock market crash. Not happening. So Aurora Cannabis files an early warning report connection with TGOD Holdings. This, I don't know if I'm reading this correctly. Maybe you guys will fix me. But according to this article, it's basically saying Aurora is warning investors that they may sell more TGOD stock. So this is like an early warning report to investors that Aurora might dump more TGOD stock. At least this is just from what I can read from this article. If you guys argue that say no, this is nothing, that has nothing to do with it, please let me know in the comments below. But it's not a very good sign for TGOD that Aurora could possibly dump more of their stock. I mean, they have to file this, right? I think, because Aurora is not they're not a like investment firm. They're more like they don't buy and flip stocks. They basically buy it as long-term investments. So I think it's something they have to file. TGOD stock is down today because of that news. Yeah, it sucks. Namaste is down today. Namaste's been quiet, real quiet lately. There's nothing, they have not talked about anything in a long time. I mean, it's their quiet period, so they have to. Maybe they're just like talking and saving up for like massive amount of news, and then once they get the private placement, they just announce a crap ton of news. When was their private placement? Let's look. Oh my god. Okay. The private placement was on September 26th, so they should be closing it now. They should be closing it now. They should be closing it today. It's already been like 3 weeks since they announced the financing bot deal. So maybe you'll have an announcement that says that they closed it already, and then they can go back to their 420 shows. So that would be kind of exciting. Canopy Growth Corporation green today. In the green. I love to see the green because I have stock in this company. I have 6,000 shares. I used to have 7,770 shares, but I got greedy and I started trying to swing trade this, and I failed because I suck at swing trading. New Age Farm. This stock has a lot of volume. I still don't have a website up. They announced on October 17th some kind of CBD infused line by developing taste CBD beverage flavoring line. Kind of interesting news, but I don't get this. I mean, is this a real company? Is it a fake company? Why don't they have a website? I don't know. This is like my huge speculation stock. I'm just hoping that, you know, they have the same rally they had here with this. That would be nice, but that's just a hope. You know, they seem to have multiple rallies, like rally here, rally here, rally here. So I'm hoping they're having a rally up again, but there's a chance it might go back down to here, which makes it a screaming buying opportunity. But you know, it seems like an interesting company. I just don't know if it's real or not. But since it has so many rallies, I'm taking the gamble that I'll have another rally. I'm hoping. American, very wayland harvest results from American's GMP. Well. Let's see where wayland is today. This is the real, but so it's up 5 cents. At least I'm back to break even. Not much to say about wayland. I did find this guy's post, which is pretty interesting. $50 million private placement raise is closed. I didn't read anything about closing that. I thought it takes a few weeks to close it. 9,000 kilograms minimum, meaning 3,000 kilograms for Canada Medical Pharma per year. So, I mean, it's pretty good. If you tack on 3,000 plus the rec market, plus all the hemp product, I really think that American will show its real numbers, show like really good numbers in 2019. And the stock should go way above 290 whatever million it is right now. $251 million market cap. I think that's so dirt cheap. I don't know why somebody doesn't come in and try to acquire this company. It has such great assets and it's only worth $251 million. That's insane. Like, I just don't understand why they don't merge with a licensed producer and then just, you know, really become dominant. I mean, maybe the management wants to build their own company by themselves and they don't want to get acquired by another company. But this is a really good, like, I honestly believe that wayland's a really good piece of asset, like the company itself. And it's the stock is very undervalued in my opinion. But, you know, even if I think it's undervalued, doesn't really matter at the end of the day. It's up to investors to really pump the stock up anyways. So yeah, 942,000 square feet. They have 214 right now. They're working on the second expansion, which is 600,000. They expect to finish that in like spring. So right now they're producing around 36,000 kilograms per year. So that's about, let me put a calculator up. 36. Well, actually it's more. Let's say it's like 40 because 36 is just from the one facility. So let's say it's 40,000 right now. Divide that by 12. They're producing about 3,333 kilograms. 3,300. 3 times, let's say $8. They'll make about, if they sell everything they produce, they can make about $26 million. Okay, it could be less than that. I gave them an $8 because I was mixing Germany with the Canadian rec market. So I gave them an $8, but you know, plus oils and everything, $8. It could be low, it could be 6, 7, but it's about $25 million per month. That's about $75 million per quarter. If they can show $75 million a quarter, this stock deserves way more than a $250 million market cap, in my opinion. And then once they have their full production facility up, you think this company is going to be around to $250 million? I don't think so. This is my opinion. I am a shareholder, so that's my disclaimer. And I'm not a financial advisor, so this should not be advice to buy. June, this stock has don't release very much news, but and I haven't seen the stores. Like right now, to me, it looks like the stock's on sale at $1. I am, disclosure, I did buy some shares today. So I'm just telling you guys that I bought some shares today. I bought June, so I'm a shareholder. Just you won't know how much I bought, at what price I bought it at. I want to see a Choom store. I want to go into a Choom store. They said they have some retail locations, guaranteed, and yet I haven't seen a single store yet. I also haven't seen a tweet store yet. What is going on? Maybe they're just delayed from construction and the government hasn't issued them a license yet. I'm hoping to see a license from these guys. Sucks that I don't. Another stock that's kind of on my radar. This thing has exciting news. They are entering the U.S. market with a company called Quest Resource Management Group. So that's exciting. And the stock is it's stabilized. Definitely on my radar. I do own shares of this company, and I plan to add more. It's just I'm looking for the right price point. And let's see. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I want to mention before we go. Liquor stores up today, but no, this stock has super low volume. That means that nobody's interested in this company, even though I think this company is extremely undervalued. I do own, like, disclaimer, I do own shares of this company, so I'm giving it a promotion. Like the market cap of $387 million for a pre-established business that's getting into the cannabis space, and from what I see from my pictures, these dispensaries are packed. They're really packed, and they have really good locations in Edmonton, anyways. And in Calgary, there's only 2 locations in Calgary, and they got one of them. And then by end of the year, they should have all 37 dispensaries up. And once they have those 37 dispensaries up, where do you think the stock's heading? Where do you think when they get their sales license? Sorry, once they get the stores up in Toronto, where do you think the stock's heading? Like, I don't know. Maybe it'll head back to $9, because the stock market sometimes make no sense. They can come out with revenues and profit numbers in the double. Like, I think they can literally double their revenue number. Like, I think from now on they're gonna be growing their revenue numbers by by 50% per quarter, because every month they're gonna be adding new stores, and then by the end of the year they're gonna add more stores, and then in springtime they're gonna be adding more stores in Toronto, and that's gonna just really ramp their revenue up. If any indicator, if Aurora stores, if Alcanna stores right now in Edmonton is super packed, I think Toronto's even gonna be even worse when those stores open. So yeah, it's very interesting times right now. Today I'm gonna be heading to Fire and Flower. I'm gonna have to head there early after I make this video and release it. I'm gonna be heading to Fire and Flower to basically check out their store, and I want to buy some tweet products. I'm gonna go around looking for tweet products, because that's what I want to buy. I want to buy some tweet products. I want to compare it to Aurora products. I bought some Aurora products today. I bought something called Blue Dream, pretty strong shit, and I bought some pre-rolls from Aurora too, because I'm Aurora shareholders. I want to support the company. I also want to buy tweet products because I want to support the company, and I also want to test out another cannabis brand product, like another company's product. So And I'm hoping to look for Aphria products too. I'm gonna go ask the salesperson, oh, you have any Aphria products? Because I want to compare them between, I want to compare the big three. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this content. If you don't, give me a thumbs up. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.